Based on your comments that Muslims should not protest or demonstrate, how can we apply the hadith about changing the evil of your hands? Remember, changing the evils of your hands is built upon qudrah. Changing the evils of your hands, al-amru bil-ma'ruf wal-nahi an-munkar, okay, is mutawaqqifun al-qudrah. It is something which is, it can only be done with qudrah. If you have no ability now, for example, to stop certain injustices happen, then the wajib is not upon you. The uhda يعني سقطت يعني منك. The mutalabah, you being accountable is not there. Changing with your hands also doesn't mean protesting. Changing with your hands can, remember, you can't change. So, for example, this the death of the sister Shukri Abdi. We may never be able to get justice for her, but we tried to get justice. But in you not getting justice, you didn't change the munkar. The munkar still happened. We're talking about the best ways of changing the munkar. And my advice is that protesting is not the best way of changing the munkar. But that doesn't mean that there's not other options. There's other options, ya Sheikh.